Today's adventure brings us to Builders Discount Center. This is a local place where I end up getting a lot of material that I use to teach with visually burst grow saw woodworking and laser engraver projects. You can see that they have a nice facility here. You're going to go in and do a quick tour. And they have the nice drive-in lumber yard. But they are, of course, celebrating 39 years. On the outside side, you can see they have all of the shingles. Of course, this is a one-stop shop for all your building supplies. That rack right there is discount lumber, so you can get that for like 50, 60, 70% off. It's damaged goods, but you can cut it up and use it however you see fit. They do sell the stair casings for mobile homes and trailers. They sell the building kits, railroad ties, and so much more. Here you see Builders Discount, tough to beat for 39 years, established 1987, 1 year before I was born. BuildersDiscount.net, and they are on all of the social media platforms. But we are going to go in here, and again, you can drive through here to load up. Over here you got all of the windows. Here you have the screen doors. Here you have something that was brought back, so they have it discounted. You get all your fasteners and bolts and everything here. And they also have an indoor portion. That's where you go and pay. And that's where a lot more of the hardware and accessories are. But this, of course, is the drive-in lumber yard. Here we have OSB board, top-notch, tongue and groove OSB board, 4x8 sheet, $24.49, U.S. currency. Here you have 3/4 tongue and groove OSB board, $18.49 a sheet. Then here you have the plastic ornate fences. You can see the price and then the individual piece here. Of course, they do offer forklifts to where they'll help you load and everything. And then here we have the dimensional lumber. Here we have the pine shelving board. Here is spruce 2x4s. Spruce and pine is the two most common ways that we get 2x4s here where I'm located. But here is the shelving boards that I get to teach with. You know that I love to teach with 3/4 inch pine. And of course you can go through the stack and find what you need. There is more dimensional 2x4s over there. Here we have 1/4 inch Luan. Over here we have more bundles. 5/8 OSB board for $15.99. And then over here we have 10 for 10 roofs. You all know that the workshop has a 10 roof, so they do sell that. The flashing, so pretty much everything you need to build with. If there's anything that you would like to see, just pause the video. Here, 3/8 inch plywood, ply bead board, $19.99 a sheet. And then they also have sheetrock. Again, a one-stop shop. Over here you have yellow pine 2x4x10. So again, they had spruce up there and pine right here. Here we have 1/2 inch hardwood plywood, and this looks like cabinet grade plywood. It's got this thin veneer on it for nice finishes, and you can see it's $17.99 for this full sheet here. Here they have the nice building material here leaned up. $1.89 a foot, $1.09 a foot, various prices. And then they have the back lot here with more stuff. You got cinder blocks for building, you've got more construction stuff over here, and again, when you drive out, you can just drive through, load up, and then they'll write down everything that you've got, and then you will go and check out. They have given me a few shirts in the past, and I'm highly appreciative of it. Here we have hardwood plywood, 3/4 inch hardwood plywood, $28.99. And now I'm on more of the traditional building side. But over here you can get the pre-built cabinets. You can get the vinyl siding in various colors: white, soft white, graphite gray, sandstone color. And let's see, we'll look at some of these pre-built, cabinets. And here we have some that are slightly damaged. So these are discount cabinets. Now, wouldn't want to put these in a kitchen or anything, but these would be good shop cabinets to have to store stuff if you were outfitting your workshop or garage. But very nice construction on these. And they are made in various styles. And they even have the vanities for sinks. And now out here, I'll step out here, all of this out here is exterior plywood, and this is pressure treated materials, so it's made to withstand the weather, and similar prices to what's inside. And they even have the nice simulated wood stuff for decks and playgrounds and everything. 16-foot composite decking, shoreline, $31.99. We'll go back in here and continue going around. More of the nice cabinets. And more of the windows, 3x3, 2x2. And again, you can pause and look at the prices if you want to. More windows here. You can get the butcher block countertops here, but very nice, pre-made. And I kind of wonder how this would work on both the CNC and the laser engraver, so not sure. And as you can tell, we are at the Builder's Discount, Burlington, North Carolina location. But then here we have some more stuff. The vanities for the sinks. But a really, really cool place is Builder's Discount in Burlington, North Carolina, celebrating 39 years.
Builder's discount. This is Vaughn. How can I help you? Yeah, I can double check for you. Yeah. What's your name?
40 inches.
Yeah, let me check real quick, okay?
Used to be.
What'd you say, sir? I'm sorry. I can check with you on the phone.
And that crew is going to about wrap up our tour of Builder's Discount in Burlington, North Carolina. You can see I've got on my Builder's Discount shirt. Shop here all the time. It's very local, and they have stores peppered all over the great state of North Carolina. So if you're not in Burlington, at least look them up. Maybe you'll find one close to you, and you can pick up some of the building needs that you might need for your project on any given weekend. Again, hopefully this video shows you that it is a one-stop shop for everything building material wise, and I'm happy to have it so close to home. Again, I use a lot of the materials that I showed you in today's video in the workshop to teach you guys these scroll saw woodworking, laser engraving, CNC stuff, compound cutting, and things like that. So this is where I come to pick up supplies. This and of course Lowe's Home Improvement, but today was all about Builder's Discount in Burlington, North Carolina. As with any style of video like this, I'll leave all the social media links for Builder's Discount down in the description box below this video. But hopefully you like this quick tour, and hopefully it inspires you to come to a Builder's Discount in your area if you are nearby. That's going to wrap it up for this one, crew. If you're new to the channel, hopefully you'll click that subscribe button and also follow me across all my social media feeds under the Artisan Pirate name. As always, links to contact me as well as all my social media feeds will always be linked down in the description box below these videos. That's about all for this one, and remember, crew, if I can make it or do it, so can you all. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Take care, and I'll see you all real soon.